This is a follow-on video from our first video titled 3 Doors and a Bell. In this video we'll be showing you how to use the counter function on the PLC software to operate the bell once door B has been opened 3 times. We have the same setup as the last video, with door A wired to input 1, door B to input 2 and door C to input 3. We've also wired up a normally open switch to input 4. As you can see, the inputs are wired in there, and we have the bell wired to the output Q1 on the bottom. The count function allows for a counter to be put in place so that when door B, which goes into input 2, is opened 3 times, the bell will sound. In order to reset the counter and turn the bell off, the normally open switch has to be closed, then reopened. This will reset the PLC and the bell will go off and the counter will be reset to 0. Ewan's now going to show you how to set up the software so that the desired results can be achieved.
The first step is to select the correct PLC, which in our case is the SMT ED-R12. Then select OK. And now we are ready to write our program. So as Rob was saying, we're going to use door B for the input, which is a normally closed door. So the input is found down here, symbol I. So you click on that and you bring it up to rung 1 and click where you want it, which is there. This is input 2 on our PLC and it's a normally closed switch. And then select OK. Now we need to put the counter onto a rung here, so that we're going to count 3 times before the bell rings. The counter function is found down here, again on this tab, but with a symbol C. So you click on that and you take that to the end of rung 1 and click. Then we're going to keep it as counter 1, we're going to keep it in function mode 1, and then we're going to change the preset value to 3 by simply putting in 3 there, and that will allow it to count 3 times. You can also set the reset inputs from the counter tab itself, which you can see down here. It says reset inputs, and as Rob was explaining earlier, we've set inputs 4 as the normally open switch, and that's what we're going to select here now, the inputs 4 for the counter to be reset. So you click on it here and you select I, that stands for input. Obviously we'll change that to inputs 4, and that will allow the counter to reset now by using inputs 4. And then once all that is selected, you can select OK. And we now need to simply join up rung 1, and this is done by using the line down here, which is used as symbol A. You simply click on it, click there and click there, and now rung 1 is complete. We now need to link the counter to the actual output so that the bell knows to ring after it's counted 3 times. So to do this, we need to go down here again to the inputs. This time we're going on rung 2, so you select there, and obviously we need to find the counter tab here so it links to the counter, not the actual input. And the counter is C, and to match it up to our counter we're going to keep that as 0, 1 and the normally open contact. Once that is done, select OK. And the last step is to actually put the output in, which is the bell, and the output is found down here, which is the symbol Q. So you click on that and then take it to the end of rung 2 and put it in position, and that is wired to output 1, as Rob was saying, on the PLC. So we're going to keep that as coil 0, 1 and then select OK. And now, like we did in the first rung, we need to join up the second rung, and this is done again simply by selecting the line down here, which is symbol A, and clicking twice. Now the program is complete, so we now need to link it and write it to the PLC. And to do this, you need to go up to Operation and down to the bottom, which is Link COM port. Click on that, and then simply select Link. OK. And now obviously this has written it to the PLC. So now we will show you how it works by opening the door 3 times and hear the bell sound, and then we'll reset it with input 4.
Right, so Ewan's now going to open the door 3 times, and on the 3rd opening, the bell or the output should sound 1, 2, 3. and the bell is reset with the switch, and it'll show you again that if you open it 3 more times that the counter's been reset and the bell should sound again. And once again